Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust headlights on a Toyota Tacoma. First, park your truck on a level surface, about 25 feet from a wall. Make sure your tires are properly inflated and the fuel tank is at least half full. Then, mark the center of each headlight and the vehicle's center line on the wall. This setup provides the necessary reference points for accurate adjustments. Now, let's tackle the vertical adjustment. You'll find the vertical adjustment screw, typically located on the top of the headlight assembly. Use a screwdriver to turn it. Turning clockwise will raise the beam, while counterclockwise will lower it. For optimal visibility and to avoid blinding other drivers, aim the top of your low beam cutoff line about 2 inches below the center mark you made. Next up is the horizontal adjustment. The horizontal adjustment screw is usually found on the side of the headlight assembly. This screw allows you to move the beam left or right. Adjust it so the brightest part of your low beam is directly below the center mark you drew for each headlight. This ensures your lights illuminate the road ahead without straying into oncoming traffic. Once both vertical and horizontal adjustments are complete, take your Toyota Tacoma for a test drive to confirm the alignment. Ensure both your low and high beams provide clear, unobstructed visibility without dazzling other drivers. Remember to regularly inspect your headlights for any damage or dimness, as proper maintenance is key for safety. Also, for other great deals, and to make meal prep easy with some fantastic leak-proof containers, check out the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.